We're out here in Alaminos City Pangasinan, Philippines, and this is our hometown and we'd like to share it with you. So we're going to take a little walk from, I guess you would say, the east side of town. We're over here by the Victory Liner bus station. We're gonna take a walk from here down to the other end. So if you'd like to get an idea of what Alaminos City looks like and what it has to offer, then go ahead and join us. We'd like to share this with you. So please come along. All right. Okay, just to give you a little backstory, we came to Alaminos for the first time in 2018. We were passing through, just visiting. Fast forward a few months, and we decided, or fast forward a few months from July of 2018 when we first visited. October, we got ourselves a small apartment over in Bologna, which is a barangay just due south of downtown here. So we did that, and well, as I was back in the States working, sending money over here to kind of get things built up and ready for my permanent move over here. So then I come back in 2019. Well, we move her in to the apartment in October of 2018. 2019, I come back and we get married in March of 19. I wasn't here very long. Woo! Got some smoke going here. I wasn't here all that long after, you know, during and after the wedding. So by the end of March, I was on my way back to the United States. There's the Nepo Mart, McDonald's. Anyhow, went back to the United States for about, oh geez, 16 months or so. And then, of course, you know, the pandemic hits. And I finally get back up. Long story short, I finally get back over here July of 2020, and I've been here ever since. We managed to move twice since the first place we got in October of 18. We moved to another place, and that didn't work out quite so well. I mean, it worked for what we needed at the time. Then we kind of quickly outgrew that place, and we went and got another small house in Barangay Magsaysay. And that's where we're at right now. One thing I like about Alaminos City is it's really easy to navigate through here. I mean, it's basically one way in, one way out. Well, I guess two ways. This is another major inlet, outlet right here. Yeah, that one goes, I've covered this on previous videos. This one goes south. This road here goes south, and it will take you into eventually Olongapo and Subic. Yep. So, you know, it's funny, if I didn't have this camera in my hand, that guy would have ran right, he would have tried to run us over. Guaranteed. These cameras, I tell you, they don't want to be caught on camera doing stupid stuff. So anyways, yeah, Alaminos is pretty easy to navigate. Pretty much for the most part, a one way in, one way out. You know, kind of like the small towns back in the United States. You know, you come in one way, you go out the other. You know, don't blink your eyes or you'll miss the, yeah, you'll miss all the action.
You'll never look there.
Yeah. You got the Red Ribbon Bakery. I'll stay out of there. That place, hey, that place, I spend a lot of money for some reason when I go in there. Okay, something that you'll probably recognize if you've ever looked at other videos of Alaminos City or looked it up online or whatever. Is this, what is it, People's Park? Is this People's Park?
Yeah, this is the
Yeah, People's Park here.
They put the Christmas tree.
Yep, they put the Christmas tree up in here, and of course people sit out here and take pictures, including us when we were tourists 4 years ago. Now we got the kids. No, I can't put this down, guys. I can't do. Don't do that. No, get away. Go. Can't have that.
You see, he's saying something.
Tough.
Murmuring something.
Yeah, they always do that. You don't give them what they want, and they start mumbling shit that they.
Mumbling shit, but
I really don't care. It's not my problem. I just don't need underage children running around in my YouTube videos. You know what I mean? Anyways, huh?
they said so embarrassing.
What? What's that? What are they? They were embarrassed? So here's the big church. What is it, St. Joseph's? Oh, they're doing some work up there, huh?
They're painting.
Okay, so when you come to Alaminos City and you're going out to the 100 Islands, go that way.
Show this one, huh?
Go that way. And that'll bring you straight north about 5 or 6 kilometers, and you'll run right into Lukap Wharf in 100 Islands. What's that, hon?
100 Islands.
Yep, there you go. There's a sign, 100 Islands. That way. Hello, guys.
Sherman is there, waving.
Hey, Sherman. Yeah, we know the young lady that works in the music store there. They provide lessons for Eden, the chef. So yes, she's not only a chef, but she's a guitar player. She knows 3 chords. She's a guitar player extraordinaire.
Video of me playing guitar.
Yep, why not, huh? You can do it. Which one are you good at? Which one are you proficient at? The A chord? The G? How about the C? You got that one yet?
So,
The D? Okay, well anyways, this is it. This is pretty much the west end of town. We went from one end to the other. Didn't take very long, did it? So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I want to thank you very much for coming along. We'll do this again sometime real soon. Until then, y'all take care. Thanks for watching. All right, bye-bye.